just wanted to give you something real short and real quick today. I don't think it's going to take long at all, but the difference between a deduction versus an inference. These are common logical terms when we talk about crafting an argument, when you're dealing with discussions with people. You're going to have to realize that there are times when exactly what you are trying to convey follows logically from the set of premises that you've laid out. And I'm using some words you might not be familiar with here. But so let me use a very well-known argument in apologetics circles, and maybe you can kind of see how this would apply to regular conversations. You see, when you have conversations with people, you are in many ways, many times, attempting to be persuasive. And when you attempt to be persuasive, you're making an argument, you're crafting an argument, even if you're not thinking of it that way. And so usually your argument will have premises and it'll have a conclusion. You argue something based on a set of prior things that you've laid out. Those are premises, all right? And so let me just give you an example. So the Kalam cosmological argument goes something like this. Whatever begins to exist has a cause. The universe began to exist, therefore, the universe has a cause. All right? So therefore, the universe has a cause. That was a logical deduction from the premises of that argument. But we could make an inference from that. We could make what philosophers call an inference to the best explanation. Now, we would have to support and make arguments then for why we have that inference, but we would infer that the cause, or we could infer that the cause, that the best explanation for there being a cause to the universe is God. And so that's real quick. That's the difference between a deduction and an inference. It does not follow logically. Whatever begins to exist has a cause. The universe had a cause. Therefore, God caused the universe to exist. That doesn't follow logically. It's not a deduction. But we could infer from the deduction that the universe had a cause, that the best explanation for that is the existence of a transcendent, all-powerful, all-knowing creator. One who we would recognize as being consistent with that described in the Bible.